Hi my angels and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this festive drugstore makeup look. Everything that I've used on my face is from the drugstore here in the UK. So I hope you guys are excited to see this very kind of dark but like hot chocolatey, Christmassy, mulled wine kind of vibe. If you want to see how to get this makeup look, then please keep watching. I'm gonna be Mummy's little helper today. Yeah, hi! Got two back here saying hello to everyone. He's not said hello on YouTube for a very, very long time. He's always active on my Instagram, but he's gone so big now, haven't you? Yeah, it's been 2 whole years since you've been in your forever home. So my skin is all prepped and I'm going to move straight onto primer. The primer that I'm using is the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. I love this. This is such a brilliant primer. And I'm just going to get this on the whole of my face so that it's nice and primed, ready for the base. My skin's all primed and I'm going to move on to actually concealer next. So I've been doing this new thing where I put my concealer on before my foundation and I just end up putting less products on my face and I love the outcome of it. So I'm going to take the Maybelline Anti-Age Eraser Eye Concealer in the shade Light and I'm going to get that onto all the areas that I like to brighten and conceal my face. And then, of course, going in and blending it all out with my damp beauty blender. And now moving straight onto foundation, I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match Nude Plumping Tinted Serum Foundation. And I've been loving this. I've almost gone through half the bottle already. I think it's amazing. It makes my skin look and feel like skin. It gives a lovely, even amount of coverage and my skin just looks so nice and healthy. Seeing as this is a festive makeup look, I wanted to go in with a cream contour. So I'm actually going to use this e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. And I'm going to get this onto the usual areas where I like to look and feel bronzed and contoured. And again, blend all of those lines out as well. I love the creamy consistency of this. It's super easy to blend out and looks really natural on the skin as well. Time to set everything in place. And I'm going to be taking my Instant Retouch Powder. This is from Soap & Glory. I used to use this back in the day all the time. So I'm going to get some of this and put it onto the areas where I applied the Maybelline concealer, and that's just going to set everything in place. I feel like I'm whizzing through the base, but next I'm going to take my bronzer. I'm taking the L'Oreal Paris Back to Bronze Bronzer and getting that onto all the areas where I applied the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. And that's going to set all of that in place. I'm loving the way that my skin is looking. I love that my freckles are still on show. Let me zoom you in. So this is what my skin looks like up close and personal. And as you can see, you can still see my freckles through my skin. My skin still looks like skin. It looks a little bit more matte, but I'm loving the way it's looking so far. I'm just going to finish the rest of my base off and I'm going to take the Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Third Base and get that onto my cheeks. And now to finish the base off, it would not be complete without some highlighter. So I'm going to take the Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline and get that onto the top points of my cheeks. I'm going to run a little bit up into my brow bone and also a little bit on the bridge of my nose. Now to add some dewiness back into my skin and also to make my highlight pop a bit more, I'm going to take the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray and spray that all over my face. Now that the base is all done, I'm going to move straight onto eyes. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill my brows in. Now I do have my brows microbladed, so I'm just going to follow the shape that it's already got. But to fill them in, I'm going to take my Soap & Glory Archery. Again, I used to use this all the time and I'm just going to fill in my brows. For the eyes, I want to do something super simple but dramatic. So I think I'm going to go in with a copper eyeliner. Now this one is from L'Oreal and it's called Super Copper. And I'm going to get a really beautiful wing onto both of my eyes. And then I'm going to set it in place with some of this NYX Sprinkle Town Glitter. And I'm going to be using the copper one to just kind of go on top to add a little bit more of a glam and pizzazz. So I've just finished my lashes and for that I used the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline and also the Backstage Beauty Lashes in the style Soho. It's been so long since I last wore lashes and I forgot how glamorous and amazing they look. And these are super, super fluttery and you've got the glittery eyeliner peeking through it behind. Let me zoom you guys in. So this is what it's looking like. It's so beautiful. You could actually do something really, really similar with any color for the festive season. I just was drawn to this coppery shade, but this would look amazing in red, green, gold, you name it. And I love the little technique of adding some glitter on top of an eyeliner. So it's very easy to put on, whereas glitter eyeliners just can be quite difficult to put on, but love the way this is looking. For lips, I want to do something super different in a sense. I don't want to go in with a red lip. I actually want to go in with a brown lip. So I'm going to take the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew and line my lips and slightly fill them in before going in with the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Berlin. I actually love the way this look has turned out. It feels like I've got like chocolate on my lips. It's so beautiful. It's like a very rich chocolatey brown with kind of like an orangey undertone. It's stunning. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this drugstore makeup tutorial. I haven't done like a drugstore themed makeup look in ages, and I know you guys were asking for one, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave me comments of videos you'd like to see in the future from me. I'm always up to suggestions and hearing what you guys want to see. As always, all of the products that I've used will be linked in the description box below. And a massive thank you as always for watching this video and supporting my channel. It means the world to me. I hope you guys are having an amazing start to December. I actually can't believe that we're in December already. It just blows my mind how quickly this year has gone. But I hope you guys are all staying safe. I hope you guys are all happy. But yeah, I think that is everything from me. If I have forgotten anything, it'll be in the description box below. But for now, I'm sending all of the love and light from my heart to you guys, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!